So now for irregular verbs. There is no way to find out just by looking at it if a verb is irregular or regular. You need to look at a list of irregular verbs, or you can learn them by heart. I have provided here a list of irregular verbs, but you can also find one most likely in your activity book or in your school agenda. If you are writing a text, how do you know which ones are regular, which ones are irregular? How do I conjugate my verbs into simple past? I don't know. Well, here's what you do. The first thing I want you to do is look at the list of irregular verbs. If the verb is there, then your problem is solved. You have the correct spelling, you just write it like that. However, if it is not on the list, all that means is that it's a regular verb. And then you need to look at what is the ending because of the exceptions that we talked about, and then decide what you need to add to the base form of the verbs in order for them to become in the simple past.
So a list of irregular verb looks kind of like this. Here you have the infinitive. So for example, beat. Then you have your simple past, beat. And then most often you will have a French translation. So for example, in your agenda, that's something you can find. And you have, for example, here begin, which is the infinitive, began, which is the simple past. And for other verb tenses that we will use later, you also have a past participle, and then you have the French translation.